How's it going, everyone? How's everyone doing today? Got Silver in here. How's it going? XRP Army, XRP to the moon. XRP's looking good right now. Macro wise, Sean, how's it going? No YB, flip coins in the house. Amid, how's it going? Jad B. Oh, you're the one from Holland, huh? What time is it over there? Yeah, we're gonna try to have a good stream here. Hope all you guys are doing well. ICP. Oh, it's almost 12. Okay. How's it going, QTR? Eric, Nowak. Someone lights some fire under turbo, he says. Joe Manuel's in the house. How's it going, Joe? Good vibes and success your way. Appreciate the words, my man. And yet again, you guys go check out Joe's channel. He's got a good channel over there. Good information. Appreciate you, man. My kid is asleep. We'll be quiet. We won't wake him up. All right, so yeah, I saw you come in here and you said H bar right away. But yeah, H bar, let me pull this up on the bigger screen. Hedera here. High, low on Hedera. It's smacking right into the 786 right now, 13.3. So if you can push through 13.3 here, it may continue to run. And then, of course, get over the macro 0.5 where it got stuck at 14.3. But it looks good here. It blew right through the resistance that was the uptrend and the 236, 382. So the bottom is confirmed officially in on the macro, and you are bullish over 10.3 here. So just be careful because it probably will end up pulling back. You can see could drop 22%, but ultimately, you know, the fact that you blew through these levels is very good. Market's starting to wake up. We're right there. Not there yet, but we're right there. Right on the cusp. Did someone say ICP? ICP. What's up, Patrick? What's up, Lynx? Velodrome. Hold on, let me go to... Yeah, XRP still holding up and looking good here. XRP had that huge run out of here, broke this resistance here, especially on the monthly. You guys know we've been every time I did cover XRP, this was the level to break. It broke out. It's above the 618. And what I noticed a while ago when I was looking, if you go on the 4-hour chart for XRP, for anybody wondering about XRP, on the 4-hour chart here, if this holds up, you can clearly see it's in this consolidation period. So could be gearing up to keep running here if we zoom all the way down. But yeah, not looking bad. XRP to $5, huh? But yeah, I saw someone say ICP. We rarely look at ICP on the channel here. I don't know why. It just never got views. Let me see. Where's my ICP chart? Maybe it's not even on here. You guys see Caspa's pushing. If we could have only longed it down here, but Caspa's pushing here. I really think Caspa's going for a new high. That's the next target. For larger caps, got to go with Render, Caspa, H-Bar, and XRP. Yeah, not bad picks. I think Render's going to perform well. Caspa's definitely going to perform well. But yeah, H-Bar and XRP are moving right now. Caspa's getting listed on Kraken. Is that true? Caspa to Kraken. Yeah, it'd be nice if Caspa got on Coinbase and Crypto.com. Let me switch the chart here. I used to could buy Caspa and long Caspa on MEXC, but I can't use MEXC anymore. So what is the deal with ICP? Every once in a while someone asks for it. I know it's ICP, but Is it going to actually be something? None of you guys that are regular here really talk about it. ICP, it looks like the rest of the market. It looks like XCN and Spell before it took off. It's down here consolidating. Let's see here. Yeah, hit the 618. It's getting stuck right to 382. So once you get over 970 on ICP, you can be bullish on the price to push through the macro 236 at 1440. Officially put the bottom in, bullish over 39. I rarely look at ICP, so I don't know what the sentiment is of where this thing can end up. I guess we need to look into that because I have no idea. What's up, Muffin Man? T13, how's it going? Yeah, it wouldn't be a bad play to get some Caspa. Short term and long term, I think. What's up, Undead Army? I think you're the first person to ever say that, Undead Army. Not an army yet. We got to get the horde built up. We got over 70 members now. I don't know what constitutes an army, but we got to get some more people in there so the horde can take over. But yeah, ICP. Hold on, I wanted to check. We are streaming on X and Rumble once again. I was going to go over here and look at Rumble to see because there's never any comments or anything on Rumble. I don't know how it works over here. Rumble. I would imagine a lot of people don't know about Rumble here. Let me turn the volume down. Subscribe, Rumble. Oh, you can do super chat, or whatever they're called on Rumble. So all you Rumble people, I can see there's 4 people watching on Rumble. No comments. But you can subscribe, I guess, or do super chats. I don't know what that is. I'm new to Rumble, kinda. But yeah, hit the like button over on Rumble, on Twitter. Let's see if we can get this up to over 70 people again. But yeah, all right. After I said that, hopefully the stream does not go down today. But yeah, I was looking at ICP here. No comments on ICP. Yeah, I just uploaded a Cartoon Vault. I uploaded a VARA update just now, right before we got on. Hamid says which one to buy, Caspa or PNG. That's a good question. They've both been going up for a very long time. Caspa, I would say, I don't know if you guys agree with this, long-term hold would be Caspa. This bull run and beyond. PNG, I would pick for this bull run. But yeah, I was looking at ICP here. I don't have the, I don't have it open. Let me get off of. Like ICP, I have no idea what the market cap is out on it right now. Let me look. Yet again, my phone's ringing off the hook right when I get on the stream. People know I'm streaming, so they want money from me. Money I do not have. Internet computer. All right, internet computer is almost at a 5 billion market cap. ICP, 5 billion market cap. 90% of the coins in circulation. That's good to see. Yeah, I see you guys chatting, but give me a moment. Yeah, ICP to a 311 billion market cap. I don't know if that's going to happen. I don't know. I don't know the target on this. 42 billion market cap for ICP would take you to 90 bucks and a 10x. But it's still sleeping here. Still dead in the dirt. Yeah, you guys are asking for way too much already. Jeez. Undead army in the house. But yeah, PNG's not doing anything. I guarantee I can go look at PNG and it's still in the same spot that it's been in for the last couple of times we looked at it. I think Pepe is getting ready to go. Someone said something else was getting ready to go. Yeah, PNG's not doing anything. You guys got to zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Coinbase weekly chart, even the Gate.io chart, we're doing nothing. Been holding support for months on end. As long as you're over this, once you break over 30, pretty much confirmation we're breaking out to the upside like AOS did. But right now, it's just buying time. Buy before the pump. That's what I would say, because we just saw AOS do the same thing. But I'm trying to go back up through the comments. Someone said, let me see who's in here. Ryan, how's it going, Ryan Long? You mean swell or well? Yeah, we can look at swell. Alicia, how's it going? Welcome back. Degen. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Someone said something looked like it was going to pump. Swell and VVS Finance. Yeah, we can look at swell. I don't think I've ever looked at VVS. That's crypto.com stuff, ain't it? Swell. Yeah, I just updated to swell. Damn, why do we have so many Swift coins? We have so many Swift coin charts. Yeah, swell here. Swell. I know it's on Coinbase now. I don't know anything about it really, but we did draw the chart here. It is up a little bit from the last time I looked at it. Now the big thing with swell here, it apparently broke the uptrend and it's testing it as resistance here. So until you get back over 40, the bottom here is not confirmed in, but we can simply go, which it's not going to be accurate because of the large candles here. But if you want to take it as it is, low to the high, the price is sitting right on the 786 here. Right on and below, right around it. You get the idea. So as long as you're over 388, that's that final support level. But the fact that you're hitting the trend line and the 236 for resistance, that could tell us the price could come down further. So I would really like the price of swell to get over 4 to kind of confirm that it's going to go up. That's the big thing I would watch on swell right now, to be completely honest. But swell, where's our target for swell? I guess it's all the way at the top of the fib here. Swell to the moon, just under $1 billion market cap for a 20x or 19.5x, almost to 75 cents here. But yeah, like I said, swell is in a position right now to where it either needs to get over or it's going to lose that support on the 786 and it's going to fall down a lot further. Because we've seen this in the past to where the uptrend is broken, it's back tested, and then the price comes way down. So we'll see what happens with swell here. The only one, how's it going? What's up, Bad? How's it going? Decrypto says H bar. Yeah, we just went over H bar. H bar is pumping. I'm trying to see what I missed. He says target for PNG short term. I don't know why that was funny. PNG, You mean upside or downside? We just went over PNG. PNG is not doing anything. So long as you're over 216, got to break over 30. It's either going to break out and do the measured move if that's what you're asking, or it's going to break out. First possible resistance would be 30, of course. But once you get over 30, we should have a nice spike up of 100% to 48. We saw the same thing on AOS, which has this same exact chart here. And then the measured move, of course, is that 9.5x to $2. Yeah, there's too many people chatting in here. Let's see. I remember ALPH. ALPH to the moon here. It's still holding up. What is that purple line? Yeah, low to the high. It's over the 382. It's holding second time. And you can clearly see higher low. So ALPH here could be getting ready to go, because you see this, and then it came down higher low, and then it's going to start moving up. Once you get back over 198 here and you break these highs here at about 220, then you'll know. But let me get this off. It hasn't really moved since the last time we looked at it. So if this is it off the double bottom W pattern here, then this is what we went over last time, I would imagine. 1272 for a new high, 549, 4.5, almost a 5x from where it is now. But you're over the 382, you have to get over 172 and then break 198 here, which, let me see, that is the ultimate macro high back there, which you did break, but then it was resistance. So that's the big price to get over. You have to break this downtrend you're in here. The market structure is in play right now. Clear downtrend. So it looks like once you get over 172, you break back over the 236 here. It should confirm that that is breaking that downtrend there. And then you can finally be bullish to move up. Even though it is bullish here over the 382, you have to break the downtrend. What you don't want to happen or see happen is this thing pull the LCX and come down here and make a lower low and then do this and then fall off the table. So you need to hold over that 104 area. Soccer 2020. Which is better to short term, Sol XRP or Doge? I don't know what that means. You mean Sol XRP or Doge? I don't know what that means. Louise the Cool, what's up, Louise? How's your old lady doing? Not your old lady, your crazy lady. I'm on X testing. I appreciate that, my man. Test 1212. Twitter's in the house. Mispa, what's good? Just got here. Yeah, we've only been here for not even 20 minutes yet. I know I missed a lot because you guys are asking for so much already out of the gate. Came out of the gate hot. What's up, Cameron? I'm trying to scroll back up to see who came in. Samuel, DIA, Quant Breakout. Quant Breakout. If you mean on the macro for Quant, it's 140 if I remember correctly. But yeah, hopefully all you guys are doing well. Everyone in here, please go hit the like button, notification bell, whatever you have to do. I know I say that all the time, but it helps out a lot. I got to get this YouTube channel up and rolling so I can survive. He said DIA and... Damn, my mind went blank already. What's up, John? Check out Kata. All right, let me look at DIA. That's the one I got stuck in my brain right now. They get lost in the sauce here when you guys ask for a million things off the bat or off the rip. Let me get the pin off. All right, DIA still holding up. It's holding our green box. It's apparently still holding the potential consolidation triangle pattern after the strong move up. So as long as you're holding the double 382 here, that's the reason for the box here, which you are 71 up to 74.5. Then in this potential pattern here, not the prettiest pattern, but it is still there. Then once you get over 90, that'll send you up to 110, and then once you get over 110, but the fact that you moved up here and you're holding the 382, the double 382, and you're in this pattern here, it looks good to me. It looks like it's gearing up to get another move in play. So with that being said, as long as you're over that level, the 0.5 is next, of course, but you may spike out of this pattern here, 116, 17% to 163 for a nice little another move up, higher high. But yeah, overall, it looks good here. It looks to me to be gearing up to go. And then 786 retracement, 284, 314 million market cap. Excuse me. I still have a slight lingering cough deep down, and it's been like 3 weeks. But 3.5, almost a 4x, 314 million market cap. But yeah, I think DIA is going to be a good play this cycle also. 19x to 1.5 billion market cap to 14 new high here on the macro chart. But short term here, it looks good. Consolidation in a continuation pattern. Doesn't get any better than that. We got Sean for $1.99. Appreciate your analysis and content. Keep it going. I appreciate that, Sean. That's awesome. Appreciate that a lot. Yeah, sometimes I don't know who you guys are talking to. Soccer 2020, I don't know what you're talking about. Which is better in short term, Sol, XRP, or Doge? Sol, XRP, or Doge? Yeah, we don't really, well, I don't trade. The only thing I can really do is go over here to our list. Sol. Yeah, and I don't even know what time frame you want to look at, but Solana still looks bullish here. It's still pushing up. XRP and Doge both just hit resistance. XRP is gearing up here. As long as you stay over the 618 on XRP, this thing's bullish. But like I pointed out in the beginning of the stream, if we go all the way down to the 6-hour, 4-hour chart on XRP, it is yet again forming a very bullish consolidation pattern here. So XRP, even though we look at it on the larger time frames, not looking at all bearish right here. It looks like it's ready to go again. So XRP may be actually pushing up to the 786 and $1.64 is next. It looks extremely well right now. But that's really all I can say on those. Someone asked for Q&T earlier. Q&T is through both of my resistance levels, which we've been watching it on the monthly here. And 73 was blown through, and then 84, 85 here was blown through. Next stop is 104. Once you get over 104 on Q&T here, you're officially macro bullish. But my opinion is once you get over the 0.5 at 140, the fact that we got stuck on all of these monthly candles, Even back here, it broke through, but then it fell and then stuck and stuck. Once you get over 140 on QNT, that's when she may start flying. Official breakout is over 188. But I'm looking for the Doge chart. Dogecoin. Yeah, Doge is another one we've been focusing on the macro chart just because we can see the history. It's repeating almost to a T everything it did back here on a larger scale for Dogecoin. High, low, came up, smacked right into the 786 at 41.9, and it got stuck. So there's a good chance Dogecoin is going to pull back here. But no idea if this is helping whoever asked that, but 31% drop. Unless we stay bullish, and it's going to continue to push. And then going down to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah. I mean, you could argue falling wedge pattern on Doge. Same thing with XRP. So maybe we're just consolidating and we're getting ready to go again. We may have another bullish couple of weeks. And then December, we're going to pull back. That could very well be the case. But no idea if that answered your question. But Mispa for 10, I appreciate that. I appreciate you, Mispa. Just because I appreciate your lives and updates on Spell. I appreciate that. Yeah, I love me some Spell, but I'm afraid it's going to leave me behind, but I appreciate that a lot. AA, I turned 4.5K into 19K with Dog in a week. Runestones are going to go insane this cycle. Good to see you making money there. I appreciate that. Good to see you sound better. Yeah, I sound better in 2 different categories, I guess. Things I can't control, so I just got to grind. And being sick for weeks didn't help. So it's been a rough month. I appreciate you guys coming in here. I appreciate the words, Mispa. Uncle for 2 says, can we look at Keck on Sol? Keck on Sol. Yes, we can, my man. Yeah, we'll look at the dog. Let's go ahead and look at the dog chart, and then we'll go over to Keck, since I got to switch screens. But it's good to see you made a lot of money on dog here. Wait, that's the wrong one. Dog. Oh yeah, dog looks like what we just looked at. Potentially a bullish pattern being formed on the... Oh yeah. Wait, I'm on Dogecoin, ain't I? Am I really on Dogecoin? Alright, Dogecoin looks good. But we just went over that. Where's this dog coin? Why can I never find this one? There we go. Alright, dog. Yeah, dog's still holding up over the 786 here. As long as you're over that, smaller time frames you are holding over. And on the weekly, so it looks good here. If you just zoom out on the macro, you blew through the 618, 786, you're holding support here. So as long as you're over 6.8 on this thing's gearing up, or not gearing up, but it looks good here. You can see the 4-hour candles are holding up very well. Well, let me go. Yeah, let's stay on the weekly chart. But yeah, it just made a higher high. It's still holding the uptrend. It looks very good here. So as long as you're over 6.8 on the macro 3-day chart, if you can get this 3-day candle to close here, then You know, the next stop would be the high here at 0098. So as long as you hold over this, the next big move up should take you up 45%. And then maybe you come up to that 2 billion market cap and do 135% to a penny and a half. But yeah, it's good to see you're making money on this. This thing's curled up here. On the macro, if you just look at it here, it looks like it's getting ready. You know, if we were in alt season right now, this thing would just start going up. Damn, that's a really crappy line. But you get the idea. Dog to the moon. Oh, you got right in on that? That's not bad. $40+ billion market cap. Let me see here. Let me pull off my pin. Oh yeah, you're looking for the moon on this one because we only have 2 to 3 billion. I'll have to build a chart better for you since you ask for it all the time. Where would that market cap put the price? If you make it to 9 to 10 cents, you're looking at a 13 to 14x. Yeah, I guess I need to do a dog update on the channel to see what kind of reception it gets. All right, we got to go look at Keck on Sol. I appreciate the 2. And then we'll come back. Yeah, I remember SHIB. I was all in on SHIB that last cycle. I hope it does. Let me go look at, we're looking at Keck on Sol. We got to take this screen off. Let's move that. I forgot about Keck. Keck on Solana. Yeah, have any of you guys bought into anything we've been looking at here? My stuff is being really slow. We got to give it a minute. Oh yeah, we got some more super chats. Hoshi, how's it going? Can you do Omni Network and CKB? Yes, I can for 5. I appreciate that. Yeah, we're gonna have to put back up the thing since there's so many people requesting stuff. $2 a coin. I'm gonna put you in the bathroom. Neil, how's it going? Yeah, I was watching what's his name? The only other guy I watch ever pops up on my feed, so I watch because I used to watch him for years, was Vision Pulsed. I forgot he used to say put you in the bathroom. But I was watching him yesterday, and he apparently is calling for a very early top. I don't agree with that at all. Yeah, I'm waiting for my thing to load. We're getting there. Keck. What is Keck? I thought Keck was something else. This is not it, is it? Came out 1 month ago. You're talking about the old Keck, ain't you? Yeah, let me go back. Topher, how's it going? Yeah, the ENW one. ENW. I see no ENW one. Yeah, I see no ENW one. Yeah, the new one. Oh, okay. Uncle's trying to eat and type. All right, so it is this one, huh? Keck. Keck to the moon, hopefully. Yeah, when you guys come up with these charts that look like this, you guys always make money. Not saying you're gonna make money, but when I look at a chart and buy something, it just goes to zero. The one I buy. The other ones I look at and people buy into, they make money. So, all right. So Keck got stuck at the previous high. It came down. It's still above the 786 here. It hit the new high at the 1272 on a wick. Came down. And this is a hard one to kind of look at because it already hit the high. 1.2 billion market cap, 1,000 holders. It's still bullish as long as you're over 001, over 1.5, then you're even more bullish. All right, so we'll just look at the higher targets here. Doesn't look bad, but if it comes up and breaks that level, the next stop would be a 220% move from where you are now, a little over 3x to 3.9, and then the 1618 is the potential target at 0.06 and a 4.5, almost a 5x here. But it double bottomed, it pumped to the moon, hit the new high, pulled back, but it is bullish over that level. But yeah, that's really all I can say on it. Hopefully it'll go to the moon for you. Yeah, now I gotta go cover the super chats here. But where do you guys find these things at? Where do you find something like this with this chart and you want to buy into it, or you're in on it? Yeah, I guess if you bought before the downtrend was broken. If we were looking at this, before it broke, another one looks good, downtrend. Once it breaks out over the 236, which it did here perfectly, damn, then went to the moon in one large candle. So yeah, there's a good chance you get another move. We'll leave this here to let the magic happen. We've been doing this a lot lately, to where we'll leave this here and we'll look at it again, and there'll be a bunch of large candles spawned in here, making you guys money. All right, let me go back over to Trading View. Yeah, Trading View. All right, can you do Omni and CKB for Hoshi? I'll leave that on the screen so I can remember. Omni. Oh yeah, Omni's on the other chart. Yeah, Omni's the one that I never really cared for the chart, but we'll see. All right, Omni Network, it's still getting stuck below perfectly at the 236 at 896 until you get over that. The bottom on the macro here is not confirmed in. And then if we go low to the high, not the best respecter, but 786, 618 is back over the 382 at 846 here, so you are considered bullish. I would just say as long as you're over that price, you need to get back over this 896 level. And once you confirm the bottom, bullish over 1150. But it is down here going sideways below the 236. So if you believe in the Omni project here, this is the time to buy in before it decides to go up. And then this is where the multipliers come in. Omni Network, new high on Omni, $500 million market cap to $52 is going to get you a 6x. And then almost $1 billion is going to get you $95 and an 11x. This just came out, didn't it? In 2024. Yeah, all these low market cap plays on Coinbase, they're probably going to perform very well. So bullish over 1150, breakout to the upside, higher targets over 17. And CKB, what is CKB? I don't remember that one. I remember CKB, but I don't remember what it was. Oh, Nervous Network. Yeah, we went over this not too long ago. Let's go back to the weekly. Nervous Network and our bullish pattern here. Maybe it broke out, maybe it didn't. I can't really tell. As long as you're below the 618 at 13.7, we'll see what happens here. Because we were apparently looking at this strong move, bull flag type of a pattern here. The one thing we can do on CKB, low, high. Yeah, we're sitting right on the 382. So as long as you're over 1.2, you're bullish. You have to get back over 1.3 to 1.5. And then if we just kind of adjust this, you could say we're still stuck in the pattern here. So I would say once you get over 1.5, it'll confirm you're breaking out. Maybe even over 13.7 on the macro here. But you're over the 382 short term. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good in this pattern here. It's probably going to have a spike up once you get over 13.7 and move up 68%. And then where's CKB going to end up? Two targets here. The new high would give you a 4.5 billion market cap in 2025 to 10 pennies, 7.5x, and then a 7 billion market cap, 11.5, 12x to 15.5, 16 pennies to a 7 billion. But it doesn't look too bad where it is. Like I keep saying, just zoom out, and then you can see here, strong move pattern formed. Looks like it's about to spike up. That's what I see anyway. JatB for 2 says Zilliqa. Zilliqa and Staffy, he says for 2. We'll go look at Zilliqa. I forgot about Zilliqa. Staffy, I haven't looked at in forever. Zill. Yeah, I forgot about Zill. Oh yeah, we haven't looked at this in ages. So Zilliqa for 2, I will put in the work for Zilliqa. Staffy is going to go into timeout in a minute. We don't have time for Staffy. I'm still waiting to put my first person in timeout. Need to get someone in here spamming something or being rude to some of you guys so I can time them out and ban them. Alright, just give me a moment because I have no idea about Zilliqa. I know I'm getting behind on the chats once again. Oh, damn. Let's see here. Zilliqa. You guys remember Zelda Inu? Whatever happened to Zelda Inu? The Z maybe Zill. The Z reminded me of Zelda Inu. I think the last time I ever heard of them, they were rebranding. Alright, just give me a moment. Alright, all the coins in circulation for Zilliqa. It's almost at a 400 million market cap. We got the chart here. It's getting stuck perfectly at the 236 at 2.2. So you need to get over that to confirm the bottom and over 3.6 to confirm the macro bullishness. If we go high to the low, you are bottom confirmed in and over the 382. So as long as you're over 18.6, you're bullish, and you need to push through 2.2 rather. But let me go ahead and pull this up. So Zilliqa, if Zilliqa can do a new high up to 60, we'll say 63 cents, that's a 30x. All right, let me do this real quick and then I'll get back to the chats because I know I've seen some more stuff come in. But if Zilliqa here, what did I say? 63 pennies on Zilliqa. all the supply in, so that is very bullish. So Zilliqa could be a play here. Zilliqa to the moon. Let's see, for a 30x to 63. All right, a 12 billion market cap. Yeah, that's fair. All right, so Zilliqa for the win. 12 billion market cap, 63 pennies, 30x. It's not above the 236, so prime buying opportunity right here. Even though this was it back here, looks like XCN, Spell, and all the others that were dead. It woke up, and it just needs confirmation here. Okay, so now I like the Zilliqa chart. We may have to look more into Zilliqa. I appreciate the 2. Trying to get caught up on these super chats. No whack, how's it going? He says for 2, Zig. Zig, he says. Zig to the moon. Let's see, is that on Solana? Or ETH? Let me switch the chart over. All right, you guys can see this. Wait, what'd you say, Zig? Zig, 213 million market cap. For FO1. Zig, what is this? Ethereum. Zig on Ethereum. Let's see what's going on here. I'm gonna have to zoom out more. Oh damn, this thing's going to the moon already. Hasn't quite broken the previous high. 212 million market cap on this one. High to the low. Of course, it's over that, but oh yeah, this thing's been holding for weeks, for months. Once it got over the 786, it looks to be trying to make higher highs and higher lows. So it's probably getting ready to come up to the high here at 19.7. Doesn't look bad. And if it breaks through 19.7 here, then let's see what kind of spike up. 3.5, almost a 4x out of this thing. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I guess you could say if we were in a bear market, you'd have the run up, distribution, and then the sell off, but this thing looks good here. It looks like it's about to make a higher high. Just with the way the candles are here. Yeah, it's like right there. Looks bullish. But hopefully you got in way at the bottom. Uncle says Crypto Millie TG. He's a smart young man on here. Pain of Crypto 2, kid's brilliant. Maddie, how's it going? Appreciate you coming back. Your Cash App, you must have no alerts set. No, I do not. Why? Did you send me something on Cash App? Velodrome says Hamid. Yeah, I think you asked for that earlier. Yeah, I would say on Zig here, if it breaks this high right here, then that's possibly the signal to get in, which that would be 15.7. Yeah, about 15.7. It has to make a new high. If it makes a lower high here, then it's going to come all the way back down. Just be aware of that. Yeah, because then you would potentially drop back down 40%. But if it makes a higher high, then it's probably going to continue to run here. Yeah, I guess I need to check my Cash App. We'll go look at Velo while we're looking at the Cash App. Velodrome. I think I did an update today on Velo. But yeah, I'm going to have to look into Zilliqa. Zilliqa looks good with all the supply out. Maybe this is the year for Velo in 2025. Not Velo, Zilliqa. But yeah, Velodrome, I think that's what you asked for. Velodrome, we're still bullish on Velodrome. Velodrome, all we ever talk about, it's holding the uptrend. It's above the 0.5. It could come down once again, but it looks good here. Once you start to pull away from the uptrend and we get over the 618, then we could start focusing on the higher targets here. But right now, it was over the 382. It's holding the macro uptrend. It's over the 0.5 at 87. 11.3 is the price to beat, and then we move up from here, finally, just kind of like I did back here. It already went up a little since we looked at it. Good target here, 11x to pretty much $1, 833 million market cap. And then Velo to a 3.4 billion market cap would get you a 45x up to $4. But yeah, Velo came out. You know, when it makes a new high, it sells off really hard. So we'll see if that happens again. But a new high on this one would potentially be that 1272 here at 46. So potentially the next leg up on Velodrome. You can see it is a massive move. It's a 5x from where it is now to grind all the way up here to make a higher high. Which if it does that higher high once again and holding the uptrend here for higher lows, then you could be extremely bullish on the macro price of Velodrome here, in my opinion. Especially the fact that we're right here on 2025. BTC's back down to 90K. We're trying. But yeah, hopefully that helps. I'm trying to pull up my Cash App to see. Oh wow, I appreciate that, my man. Maddie for the win. I don't know if you want me to say how much you sent, but I appreciate that a lot. You didn't say anything. Maddie gets a free couple of coins. Damn, I appreciate that a lot. That's awesome. Every little bit is helping me right now. And we are on YouTube, so I can't really talk about what's going on in my situation, but you guys know most of it, but yeah. I appreciate that a lot, my man. You think Velo is able to do that? Velo? Yeah, I think it is. You need to get some grape done 100% today. Didn't grape go to 0? Grape. Yeah, we looked at grape and it came down because we were looking at it in the potential, the weekly pattern here, which higher lows and then getting stuck like bonk and then moving up, but it just decided to come down. But I have no idea what grape is or does. It looks like a Bart Simpson pattern here. It's about to go to zero. Low high 618. It's back above the 236. So until this thing gets back over 24 here and holds 243, all of these candles are getting stuck here. It needs to get over this, have some follow through and move up. It needs to establish over this, or I can't be bullish on this chart at all. Like I said, I don't know what grape is or what it does, but had a nice move, but then ultimately it came right back down and getting stuck once again. I don't know how to say that name. Vondi. Did I say that right? Is the K silent? Kavandi. Yeah, I did an XCN update on the channel. I am bullish on XCN. It's still XCN. If you ever wanted to buy in on XCN, the time is now. Ahmed says, what is the picture? Opinion is the next big thing this bull run. Next big thing, I have no idea. The only thing that comes to mind when you said that is Sui. People say Sui's the next Solana. Not that it's going to beat Solana, but that this cycle it's going to be like Solana, to where it's going to go to the moon because people expect it to be the next Solana. But that's what I thought of when you said that. Let me make sure I covered the super chats here. And yet again, I appreciate the money from Maddie to Cash App. That's the way to do it, guys. If you don't want YouTube to take 30%, there is a thing, there's Cash App, and there is, of course, on every live stream and video, a tip jar for crypto. But, you do what you want to do. I don't really care. But when you send like money to YouTube here, it takes me a month to get it, and they take 30%. So we see no whack here with $5. I appreciate that, by the way. Beam on ETH, but they take 30% of that $5, and I don't get that for another month. They got to take their cut. But yeah, I appreciate Maddie sending me money on Cash App because I get that instantly, and there's nobody's taking anything from it. Beam on ETH, address ending. You talking about Beam X or there's a new Beam? Beam on ETH, address ending in BFSE. I appreciate the 5, my man. Let me go see if I can find that before I pull it up. Beam on ETH. Uncle says YouTube Mafia racket. Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. They take 30% of everything that's goes through. But we are on their platform. That's the way I see it. They take their cut. What can you do? OG Jerry's in the house. Says Litecoin. You got the Litecoin well in the house. Ahmed, would you pick Sui over Aerodrome? Yeah, if I had 10K to put into something this cycle, I would probably put Sui. Not financial advice. But yeah. All right, trying to get it back over here to deck screener. Yeah, I found the beam one. Beam. Potentially not a bad looking chart here. Let's get this baby onto log scale. Said you're looking for a swing trade. It's getting stuck right now at the 618, so it's at resistance right now at 254. You're at 242. So high, low, 618. If it can't get over that, then it's going to come right back down. But it did make a higher high. It is starting to curl up here, so there's a chance that it pushes through. But that's your price to watch right now. And as long as you're over 2.1, you could come down and push right back up. But doesn't look too bad. Just another coin that broke the downtrend. You can see it back tested it there, and it moved up. But yeah, it's at resistance right now. Has to get over that 254 to break out, confirm the breakout. But if it does, then if you're going to hold to the target here, 171% move. Then do SUI to see what it's going to do. Yeah, the overall chart for SUI looks good. You're considering longing a possible gaming play this cycle. Okay. Yeah, like I said, the only thing I say on that one is it's at resistance at the 618. So there's no telling if it's going to push through or not. What are we on? We got 45 people in here. I'm going to put everyone in timeout if you do not hit the like button right now. We got 27 people on YouTube. We only got 18 on Twitter tonight. Usually Twitter beats us. So I guess we're doing good, huh? Oh, damn, we've been on for an hour already. Okay, I got to switch off of this chart. All right, are we there? All right, yeah. Let's see. But the only reason I like SUI is because the narrative. But SUI just pumped, made a higher high, which we've been saying that I think since back here somewhere. The overall chart, it just looks extremely well. Would I buy here? Probably not. I would wait for a pullback because it just came up, didn't hit perfectly, but you can clearly see 1414 came into play, that area. It's probably going to end up pulling back here. Ah, my phone is constantly ringing. But there's no way to tell. I just go by the narrative on SUI. They say it's the next Solana, so it could be a very good play this cycle. Which I say very good play, 100 billion market cap. You see 91 billion. If it hits 100 billion market cap, then that's not the biggest move. There's a lot better plays out there in my opinion. But that's about a 9x. But if it's going to pull a Solana, it may go way higher than this. You could be looking at a 50x plus on this thing. but no one knows. I remember in 2021, people were talking about Solana. Solana had a chart that looked similar. Solana was looking very good. People were saying it's the next big thing. They were talking about Axie Infinity. I didn't buy any of those. I stuck with Cardano and Shiba because I was in those communities and I believed in those projects, and they didn't perform near as big as those other two. So I have learned from my mistakes, so I'm just letting you guys know. It's not always about the community and the project. You can be bullish on something and everyone's in your ear telling you it's going to go to a certain price and hold. Don't be a paper hand, all that stuff, but nothing matters. The only thing that matters is you making money. I learned the hard way. Yeah, good question. How is Pepe? Pepe, I think, is still holding up, and it's about to take off once again. If I remember correctly, Pepe's in a very bullish consolidation phase. Yeah. Zooming in on Pepe, daily chart. Let's see here. Is she holding up? Is my Pepe holding up? Yeah, still holding up. Strong move up on Pepe. And it's consolidating in this pattern here. So it looks good. Pepe looks like it's about to break over 2-1 here and have a nice spike to the upside once again. But you can clearly see it on the chart here. Strong move, consolidation, continuation pattern. Next move is up. Yeah, I'm checking my phone. I don't know who called me. What's up, Yosef? Glad to see you in here. Sandhu, I can't say your first name. I don't know what that is. I appreciate you coming in here. Do you like LCX and XYO? LCX, I don't know at the moment. LCX is a good project, but the price on the chart looks horrible. Should I put 1K Velo to Sui? I cannot answer that, my man. Someone in the chat can maybe answer that, but I cannot answer that. A lot of the big influencers out there follow and know about Sui. So take that into account. I'm bullish on both, but it's wherever the narrative is going to be, in my opinion. There's a real good chance everyone piles into Sui this cycle, especially when there's some giant green candles spawning in here. XYO. What's up, Uncle Lee? How you doing? But LCX, until it establishes back over 14 to 15 cents, I can't even look at the damn chart. It has to get back over 14 to 15 or it could be done. It may have a little pump in the cycle, but it just does not look good right now. I don't know what happened to it. XYO, we cover every once in a while on the channel here. We're on the wrong chart. Yeah, whatever happened to Koval? Koval got deleted from Coinbase. Are they still going to zero? Koval, circuits of value. But yeah, like I said, I like both. And And yeah, Joseph there is going to answer you. In the ideal world, I'd have both. Oh yeah, I was looking at XYO. And there's no guarantee which one's going to start moving first. XYO, final support, stuck below the 236. It's in our green box. It's not doing anything. You have to get over 6.2 here to confirm the bottom is in, which it looks like you're also hitting probably a 0.5 or a 382. Yeah, you're hitting right on the 0.5 also. Oh no, the 382 rather. So you have to get over the 236 to be short-term bullish and confirm macro bottom bullish over 1 penny. But someone asked for XYO. But yeah, XYO, if this thing's going to hit a new high up to 20 cents, 34x almost to a 2.7 billion market cap. I don't know what the market cap is offhand, but if you want to be conservative with the price in a bull market, for this thing to come up to the 786 at 4 pennies, can't beat a 6.5x from where it is today. Curled up, not looking too bad. As soon as it gets over 6.2, it should spike up to the penny mark. But it looks like the bottom is in. That's the point. But if I bought in on XYO, I'd put 1,000 or 10K in it, let it ride up to that, and then get out. SUKU has a large market cap already. Yeah. That's why I say it goes by the narrative. If it's going to do the next Solana and maybe hit a 50 to 100 or 90 billion market cap, that's a big if. It's all a gamble. What's up, David? Yeah, we're bullish on GST. CD, how's it going? What's up, Undead? How you doing? Doing all right. Slava, how's it going? How you doing, my man? I didn't see you come in here. How are things in Texas? Raining. Rainy right now. 16 quant enough? I would say so. Just times that by 2,000. I just want like 5 quant. Hell, at this point, I'd take 1 quant. Someone send me 2 quants. I'll hodl that shit. I'm just playing. 16 quant, that's not bad. You're gonna make it, my man. He said GST. T13 ALPH macro. What does that mean? If it passes $5. Didn't we already look at ALPH? ALPH, if it passes 5, he says. If it passes 5, the next stop up that I have is 9.30. So $9 for an 8x. Which, if you just look at the overall chart here, this thing is extremely bullish. Once it breaks this downtrend here, yeah, we just went over this earlier. But when everything's going vertical, why would this not go up here? $9, $20. I know we're zoomed out on the macro, but when the bull run kicks in, we're going to see stuff like this. There's just weeks and months of nothing but going straight up. So you get the idea. So there's no telling. It's going to be fun to look back after this is all said and done to see where these things actually ended up. Trying to get above 40 QNT to hold. Damn. GST. Yeah, we look at GST all the time. The one thing I don't understand on GST is when you look at it on CoinMarketCap, there's 3 different charts you can look at. I think there's the Ethereum, Solana, and Binance that all have slightly different prices, I believe. But yeah, GST here, I guess ignore the market caps here because someone told me they were wrong. But GST, from where you are right now, you're still stuck under our resistance level here. It was dead here, holding support. It woke up, but ultimately got stuck. It needs to get over, what is that, 18.7, which is probably short-term high-low price action. So you have to get over this to confirm this short-term is the bottom. And then, of course, over 4.2 to confirm the total macro bottom here. But the fact that we like GST is if it comes up, say a 382 retracement once again, that's a 7x up to 12 pennies just for it to wake up in a bull market and come up to here. If it does a 0.5 to 28, that is a 16.5, 17x just to do that, and it's done. If it does come up here and hit the 618 retracement at 65, you're looking at a decent, almost a 40x on your GST investment. And you got to remember, this is all bear market. And now we're almost in 2025, so it's going to have some sort of a move like it did back here in March. Probably higher. So I think it's good for probably a 618 retracement, if not higher. But a lot of good targets to take profit on GST, so hopefully that helped. No, I didn't say my target is $20. I'm just saying. I don't know what ALPH is or does, or if anyone talks about it, but if people pile into it, it can go to wherever the hell it wants to. But just looking at the overall chart, I know from last cycle, things just went straight up, and we've seen that. We saw that back in March, and we've seen that recently where some things are pumping, but they're gonna go crazy. We got 51 people in here. Let me see here. How long we been here? Hour and 19 minutes. Oh, we still got a while to go. Anyone I miss? Am I bullish on Zero Labs? I can't answer that because I don't know what the heck that is. What is Zero Labs? Yeah, there's been a lot asked for. I don't know, I skipped a lot of stuff. But I appreciate you guys coming in here asking for stuff. I try to keep up. Gotta check to make sure I covered all the super chats here. Okay, we got those. Why is my phone beeping again? Oh, more rain coming in. Yeah, I don't know what Zero Labs is, my man. Hamid, can you do memes that you did yesterday? Ski Mask Dog, Success Kid, Blue Janet, Bonk and Bass. Bonk on Bass. Yeah, we'll go back there in just a moment. But all of those you just said, they're all good picks, in my opinion. But yeah, I don't know what Zero Labs is. You got to give me the ticker. I go by based on charts. I don't go by based on charts and narrative. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that is. Let's see here. But yeah, it's hard to look over here at the meme coins now that I'm out of the meme coins. But yeah, all those you listed, all those we look at. Janet, hopefully Louise is still on Twitter, wherever he is. Janet's still not looking too bad here. Hopefully this thing goes to the moon for Louise. But yeah, all those base coins, Skid here, Success Skid, still waiting to be bought in on. Still a Solana coin in the downtrend. If it breaks out and makes a new high, once Solana and the whole market's going nuts, 29x. I would put a seed play into Success Kid here, without a doubt. If I didn't have to worry about it and I had $100 to put on all these different coins, of course I would. Bonk, Blue. Some of these already left, so you got to take that into consideration. Blue looks extremely well here. I would definitely put a little seed in this. It's making higher highs. It's curled up here, broke the downtrend. Blue Foster on Solana. If you just plant a little seed that you don't care about losing, $100, $500, whatever it is, if this one blows out of the water here and makes a new high, then that is a 458.59x. 500x meme coin here, potentially. The hell, even if it doesn't go that high, if it only does 100x and you put $500 in, then you made it. Made a good trade. Bonk, Pepe, all of those on here. Yeah. Bonk on base. Just recently broke out. It's above the 236, confirming bottom at 6.2, 11.2. You're bullish. And then to the moon on this one. New high is a 32x on Bonk. But yeah, so many good plays. What's up, Charles? $500 seed in Blue. Yeah. Now, I'd put $100 on Blue and let it ride. If I could afford it, of course. But there's so many you can do that with. What's the deal with Mavia? I really wanted to believe it was going to run, but it stayed real low. Blue is on base, my man. There's a Bonk that we have on the screen. There's a Pepe. There's Blue Foster that we just looked at. A lot of good base plays. Yeah, based Pepe. What's up, Elixio? Says Grago update. Still in the same spot. It's holding support 1414, and potentially last time it was in a pattern, it took off. Potentially in a bull flag falling wedge. Pretty much a bull flag pattern here. So as long as you stay over 8.0, you break over 175. If it's going to move out of this pattern, then you'll have a decent little move on your hands. Say decent little, but it's a fucking, damn, I said the F word. It's a 21x to the 2272 if it's going to break out of this pattern and move up. Damn, that slipped. We got 50 people. Okay, nice to see everyone hit the like button. All right, let me go. I gotta go check something. He says, "Can you check Pepe, please?" You talking about regular Pepe or based Pepe? Answer, and I'll be right back. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Give me 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll be back. You guys chat amongst yourselves for a moment. I gotta go text my kids. Can you guys hear the music okay? Yeah, but all these we keep looking at. All of these that are on this list right here, there's a lot of potential good plays. Yeah, Ski's still getting stuck at the previous high. So it's either going to break through 388, you're at 381, or it could potentially pull back here, which, let me see. I mean, there's really no telling. But it already ran, so hopefully you took profit on this one. That's my plan. If I ever get in on a meme coin, once it runs, I'm going to roll that over into something else I think is going to run. So 2.4 is your target. So you could drop down 37% and still be bullish to try to push right back up, but there's no way to tell if that's going to happen. Yeah. Didn't mean to drop the F-bomb. I'm too old for that. I'm trying to get better at it. Better for my kids. Samuel, Pepe in the buy zone. Yes, Pepe is in the buy zone. Yeah, I think Pepe's gearing up to go here. Flip coins. No, we did not look at Billy or used car yet. We're waiting on you to get here. Or get back here. Used car. Used car is still a very good play. Still holding up. Nothing has changed. It's down below the 382, but ultimately we can just simply pull this over. It's still holding in this pattern here. It's respecting the bottom and the top. But once you get back over 13.5 in this pattern and you hold, that could do a lot to tell us, just like it did on DGen, to tell us it's bullish and it's about to break out. And that's exactly what happened on DGen. Yeah. If I was in on used car, I would just hold 47x almost. Billy. Yeah, Billy's still down below the 0.5 large wick. So I think we pointed this out last time to where there's a good chance it's going to pull back down to the 382 to stay bullish and drop about 22%, and then it'll get another bounce. But it'll still keep up the market structure, higher highs, higher lows. At some point it'll run. And still a good 9x on this one. Just got to be patient. Atex Gaming, how about Vara? Yeah, I just did a Vara update before we came on the live stream an hour and a half ago. But yeah, I said this last night. I put my Crow balance, which is like $15, over onto Pepe. Just because Pepe's on crypto.com, I could buy it. So just trying to see if I can double my money there, get something rolling. Because you can't pull out of crypto.com unless you have $100. Minimum withdrawal is 100, so can't do anything with 15 bucks. But yeah, Pepe, it got stuck at the 1272 at 2.1. It is pulling back, but when we go down to the smaller time frames, it's clearly in a consolidation pattern. It's right at the bottom here. So it's really tough to tell because there's nothing to draw here, but it really needs to hold up. If it goes lower, yeah, if it goes lower than this 1.9, maybe a little higher, then it's going to break down, but it looks good here to me. Continuation pattern on Pepe here. The F word comes out more as you age. Yeah, it does. Oh, we got flip coins for $9.99 super sticker. I appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot, my man. Always in here with the support. Jared says, when some of these Solana-based coins pump, is it a good idea to swap for Solana on Radium? Yeah, that's what I usually do. I'll either swap for Solana or I'll just put it into Tether. And I use the Radium through... I use Radium or Jupiter through the Phantom wallet. But yeah, if I want to take profits and hold the profits, then I'll put it in Tether. But a lot of times I'll just throw it back into Solana to try to buy into something else. And then when you want to cash out, buy Solana and send it over to your... The way I do it is I send Solana instantly over to Coinbase and then cash out. Sometimes the swaps can be way too high or way high. Yeah, don't send Tether. Just send Solana. If you're on Radium or Jupiter, I don't know what wallet you're using. I don't know if Radium's a wallet, but they have Radium and Jupiter on my Phantom wallet. I go through Jupiter. But whenever I take profit, I'll switch it to Solana and just send Solana back over to Coinbase. And then Coinbase, of course, is going to charge a small fee, but you could easily cash out and send it to your bank. Very easy to do. Yeah, I appreciate that, Flip Coins. You earned it, brother. Ski Mask Dog is the next whiff. I think whiff ski, both 3 letters. Yeah, it could be. Did you guys see the whiff peanut? There's a peanut with hat. It's called whiff peanut. It's new. I don't know if I have the chart for that, but yeah, looking at Pepe here, I was thinking about that earlier, going to look at whiff peanut. It could be a rug pull. I saw it on Twitter. But it's the peanut that went to the moon along with whiff. It's a little squirrel with a hat. I think it was called whiff peanut. Dog with peanut? No, that's not it. Let me look because I screenshotted it. Let's see here. W peanuts. See if we can get this to pop up. Oh damn, they scammed me. There's nothing here. Why is it not popping up? Oh, I didn't spell it right. Wrapped peanut, is that it? No, it's an older one. That's only 16 hours ago. Yeah, there's too many scams. I don't know. Maybe someone can find it. I just saw it on Twitter, so figured I'd try to find it, but I can't find it. What's up, Het? Yeah, I did a Moonwell chart on the channel, but we can go look at it. I got a whole new well chart, whole new perspective to look at. What's up, Louise? He says, ha ha ha, I'll send you a massive super chat, but Janet goes crazy. I hope it does for you, man. You remember when I wanted to buy it, but then I found out it was on ETH. What do you think about Wojak? Nero on ETH. Didn't that one already go to the moon? I know we've looked at it before. Uh, 3 months ago. This is it. This thing came down from the last time we looked at it. It didn't break through the 2618. It pulled back. Yeah, there's no telling on this one. It's been bullish forever, higher highs and higher lows. Pulled back. It's holding support at some points. Low to the high, 0.5, and right below the 382. So you have to get back over 216 to be bullish again on this one. And then maybe it'll make a higher high. But it's a big if. Top of the fib is 172% move. This one's been going up forever, so in my opinion, it went to the moon and it's going up. I don't think I could buy this one. But yeah, I think Pepe is going to be a good play. Not Pepe, Wojak. We haven't looked at Wojak in forever, but Wojak's going to be a good play. Wojak. We got 60 people in here. Damn, we got 42 people on YouTube. Hopefully everyone hits the like button here. But what are we looking at? Yeah, someone said AMP a minute ago. AMP is an older token, probably a 5 to 10x play. I don't remember. I don't know why it keeps coming up with this. Bond and Kovar to 0. Well, all right. Who had Mr. Long? I think asked for Well. Well, potentially is in a bullish pattern here. Different from the last chart we looked at. Hold on. But this new chart that we're using, it's over the 618 at 5.6, and we're going to stick with this one because it's just it's a better chart, more realistic targets here. So as long as you're over the 618, you just made a higher high. If you hold this, then you can move up. No one knows. It is in the potential bullish pattern, but if it falls below this, then you could drop like it did in the past. And I pointed this out on the video that the price here moved down and it started to pump up. Where was it? It was on support here. Momentum was clearly down below 50 all the way down here, and the price just kept going down. The same thing here. What are we on, the daily? Maybe I was on the weekly. All right, so the weekly chart here, this is what I was trying to get across. But if the momentum falls below 50, you're at 53, then that could tell you, even if you're holding the 618 here, that could tell you that the price is going to go a lot lower here because it has shifted to the downside here. But other than that, well is not doing anything. It's over the 618 and it's holding up in this pattern. It's either going to pump or it's going to fall down. Price to beat is 12.6, 100% move. But yeah, someone asked for swell. Yeah, I saw swell, but since someone asked for well also. No, you asked for swell though. Yeah, I did a swell update also. The swell video, the one video I did very well. So I made another one. But swell, it broke the uptrend. It is getting stuck at the 236, so you have this double resistance here. There is a good chance that you're going to come down here unless you get over 4.0, which it's been getting stuck at on these 4-hour candles. You're sitting right on the 618. There's a good chance you're going to come down to the 786 here. Does it have to? No, but if you can't get over 4, there's a good chance you're going to fall down 8% to 3.5. But swell is new. It's on Coinbase. Not the best looking chart at the moment. But like I said, we're on the small time frame. It could easily pump right back up here. But if you're holding swell for the long haul, swell to the top of the fib here at 75 cents, just under $1 billion market cap, is a 19x. But yeah, the fact that the swell videos do so good, I think that swell's going to perform well. But yeah, I don't remember the last time we looked at Wojak. I used to own a little bit of Wojak back on Mexi until they banned me. Wojak. And like I said, I don't remember the... Yeah, we ain't looked at this. Damn. Since back... Oh, that's Woo. Why am I on Woo? No one cares about Woo Network. This is the Wojak you're talking about, right? This chart looks extremely bullish here. Constant higher highs and higher lows. It's above the previous high. Wojak to the moon here. Yeah, Wojak's going to have a run. It'll have a God candle spawn in at one point. 2.6 billion market cap to 3.7 is a 25x almost from where it is right now. But yeah, you're right. It's been grinding up, macro chart, but at some point it will have those giant green candles spawning in. Short term, low, high, 1.4 is your price to hold. And you can see the 382s right on the previous high. So as long as you're above the previous high up to 14, this thing is bullish still. But the fact that you're making higher highs and higher lows, it's probably going to make a higher high once again. So depending on a pullback or not, maybe it comes up to 3.5 on the next leg up. And if it goes to a moonshot, $7 billion market cap, 67x almost to almost 10 pennies. But yeah, just the overall macro chart here on Wojak, it's been curling up forever. And then if we were in, the full swing of the bull market where everything's going to the moon, all the meme coins, Pepe, Brett, everything. Yeah, Wojak will just do this, go straight up, and then be it. Doesn't have to be exact, but you get the idea. You guys that own all these coins got to be excited. If you got money in the market right now, we're right there. You just got to be patient. Slava says, did annoying Gary finally gone? I don't know what that means. You talking about Gary from the SEC? Tony for 20. I appreciate that. How's it going, Tony? Anthony's in the house. No chart needed. You do them all, brother. Thanks for your dedication. We need some making money with us too. We need you making money with us too. Yeah, I appreciate the 20, my man. But yeah, you'll hear the tone of my voice change once things get better for me. I know I've been kind of down lately, but not only out of crypto, but just life stuff's happening right now. Life-changing stuff that's not good is happening right now. But I would be a happier man knowing that I could have some money. But yeah, when I get back in the market, I'll let you guys know, and I'll be happy as hell. Cannot wait. 2025 is going to be a life changer for all of us. You guys are going to get rich. Jared said he's way pumped. That's a good way to be. Just have patience. Did he really resign today? Yeah, if he resigns and everything else that's going on, you guys hear that Trump is about to buy, what is it, backed? He's about to buy a crypto exchange. Yeah, we're going to be super bullish in 2025 if all this happens. I know money can't buy happiness, but I need money. But yeah, I appreciate the 20, Tony. I appreciate that a lot. Russell Rodent says link. Link. Yeah, Chainlink. Chainlink is going to outperform, I think. Let me go to Chainlink real quick. But yeah, every time I come on these live streams, you guys are helping out with the kind words and the support, of course, but it gets my mind off of things. But Chainlink, let me see, what did I have on Chainlink? I know it's underperforming. Do they have oracles? Yeah, that's what I wrote down for my notes for Chainlink. From what I read, they're undervalued and something about oracles. I don't know if that helps. Link. Yeah, Link broke out of our bullish pattern here. Getting stuck at that resistance. Higher lows. It's over the 382. Good to see. Over 1207. Macro bullish. Once it gets over 1608 here, the next stop up to confirm higher prices is 21, where it got stuck last time. But yeah, Chainlink. What we have on the chart here for Chainlink is a 63 billion market cap to 105, and a 7.5x on this one. Could it go higher? Of course. Could it go lower? Of course. But just be aware when you do get up on Chainlink to the 618, you have the trend line here. So there will be heavy resistance. So at 21, 40, 21, there's going to be a pullback. More likely than not. So maybe something like that. Unless it breaks out over it. But you get the idea. But I appreciate that 20. Hamid said you'll get Riz. No, we looked at it last night though. Ryan Long says test cash absence. Test. What does that mean? Let me see. Oh Lord, let me find it. Yeah, we had what's his name? Maddie came in here, Mr. Ghost, and sent me money on Cash App earlier. He never came back though, and I appreciate that. Mr. Long, 2350 again. I appreciate that. Ryan Long with the 2350. Yes, it went through. I appreciate it. Yosef says Link will bring real-time data to the blockchain. Yeah, I think Link's going to be a good play this cycle. But yeah, it's an older one, so all these older ones, we're getting these 5 to 10x's or in between on them. So could be very good targets, and they could go higher. Damn, I don't know what happened there. That thing went like a rocket. Which one are you talking about? Talking about Riz? Can we look at VAI? VAI, what is that? Oh yeah, Viot. We're on the wrong chart. Let me switch this over. VAI. Hasn't been too long since we looked at it. Green box held up, still stuck below the 382 at 9.2, so it's not confirmed bullish yet. And it's doing an XCN and everything else. It found support. It's going sideways, getting accumulated. At some point, it's going to wake up, break through the 382, and then our line here at 10.9, 11 pennies, and then it'll be alive once again. And then it got stuck at the 618 last time. So once you get over 3.9, excuse me, then you're officially going to move up to these higher targets here. 786 retracement, not a bad move. From where it is right now, holding up, getting accumulated, 360 million market cap to $1 is a 13x. It's a good target for Viot here. And then if you think it's going to make a new high, this is your moonshot gamble, by the way. 7 billion market cap to $21, 250x. So that's your moonshot. Good target to take profit, and then a moonshot on Viot here. Damn. VAI is a big data play, okay. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Rifa Menpicken. Is that the ticker? How's it going, Wax? Man, it takes a strong-headed person to do TA on crypto when the market is going up and being out. FOMO going through, I can't imagine. God bless. God bless you, my man. Yeah, it hasn't been easy. I'll tell you guys that. I was in the market strong. In my situation, I was in there strong. January, February, then things went to crap. Pulled it all out. Then I had money on Arrow. Had to pull that out. And then now I'm here where I am today. But yeah, I'm just keeping the faith, man. Things are going to turn around. But I genuinely like that you guys are on here helping and making money. Zero Labs. I don't know what Zero Labs is, my man. What's the ticker for Zero Labs? I tried typing it in earlier and nothing showed up. Zero Labs. Let's see here. Hold on, I'm trying to find. Zero. Yeah, I'm trying to type that long one in you just said. It's either going to blow my mind or he's going into timeout. All right, we can see this. So what did he say? Riff amp. I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to be typing in. With that kind of name, it should pop up. Riff on Soul. This one here. Going to the moon. Damn, who owns this thing? See what kind of damage this thing did. Are we going to throw up here? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? 205 million market cap, 25,000 holders. This thing's still extremely bullish. Where do you find this at? Jesus. I don't even know what that is. Is that a 2, 3? That's a... Is that a 9,000x? Are you kidding me? So where are the millionaires from this? I demand the millionaires in the chat from Riff here. That is insane. Is that really a 9,000x? Alright, you don't go to timeout. That kind of blew my mind. And it's still bullish here. How high is it going to go? 200 million market cap. Is it headed for $1 billion? Yeah, this thing's headed for $1 billion market cap. No pullbacks. Straight to the moon. Can you imagine? I can buy it and make it go to 0. And what am I doing? Yeah. If only. Did you buy in on that? My God. Can you imagine getting a 9,000x on $100? We got wax for the new membership. I appreciate that. Welcome to the horde. We need as many as we can get. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, I know. I understand. Real crazy the last 2 years, but I can see the light through the darkness. Yeah, we just gotta hold on. But yeah, that's all I gotta do is see the light through the darkness. Keep holding on and grinding away here. That's all I can do. But yeah, I appreciate that. Yep, listen to the man. He knows what he's talking about. You could buy into something, but if there's no liquidity, you're never getting out of that thing. Ever. Appreciate the membership. We're over 2 hours here. It's been a good live stream so far. Yet again, we will do it tomorrow. He says Batcat. I believe we looked at Batcat, didn't we? But yeah, I got a question for you guys. A serious question. Didn't we already look at Batcat? Is this the wrong one? Batcats. Yeah, I could have swore we looked at Bad Cat, so I know we have a chart. Maybe that was the wrong one. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know which Bat Cat it is, but it looks like it topped out. But it went to the moon, so hopefully it made money. DEAI. Damn. Yeah, let me share this real quick. All right, we do have a chart. I don't know how old it is. Oh, damn. No idea what was happening last time we looked at it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a whole new chart for this one. It made a lower low. It's above the 618s. It's been going up very strongly. Not the best looking chart, I would say. Made a lower high, but it made a So the last time we looked at this one was way down here, I guess. Yeah, the only thing I can say on this one is it's above 61. It looks very bullish here. Could pull back down to this spot, but it looks very good. Price to beat is 90.5. I think these market caps are still good. I do not know. Yeah, I would just watch that 90.5 or 60, 61, and then 90.5. And I would take it. We're probably looking at it on the wrong thing. This is probably here. But I know nothing about Zero Labs. New high on Zero Labs is going to take you up for almost a 4x to 280. But yeah, that's all I can say on that one. But yeah, that was, I don't know if you guys heard the background. This is my boy I'm staying with right now. A buddy of mine. It is an AI crypto. Yeah, there's a lot of AI cryptos. I don't know if that's going to be the narrative this cycle. I don't know where you can buy this one at, but you got to be able to buy it and people got to know about it. But yeah, over 2 hours here. I will be back on tomorrow. I appreciate all you guys coming in here. Appreciate the support, the love, everything. Every day it helps out. Every day I look forward to coming on these live streams. Wax, yeah, we looked at H-bar. H-bar is okay. But just because you became a member before I go off here. But I'll try to get a bunch of updates out tomorrow. Trying to work it into where I can get about 10 done and then get on the live stream. But yeah, there's a bunch of updates out. So go check them out, of course. H-bar is right at the 0.5 getting stuck. had a huge little run here, but it is right at resistance. So just keep that in mind. A lot of these older coins did the same thing. They came up and hit resistance. If you can get over or stay over 14.3 here, 14.8, the next leg up is 19.9, pretty much 20. If you can get over 20, then it confirms a move up. But it looks like it moved up since when we looked at it. So it's still extremely bullish and volatile right now, so I really can't tell you if it's going to break through or not. But you are at resistance right now. That's really the only thing you could say, but I appreciate the membership. Yeah, it's pretty much leveled up. So if you cannot get through, what is that, 14.3, then there's a very good chance you're going to pull back 29-30% back down to 10, which is understandable because you blew through the trend, you blew through all of these levels here. A pullback would be very healthy, because if you keep going straight up, it's going to go straight back down. And we're not at that point yet to where everything's going to go straight up, because that would tell us the bear market is here, because when things go straight up, straight back down 100% for the bear market. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys coming in here. Appreciate all the super chats and everything, the cash apps. You guys don't know how much it means, especially right now in my life. But yeah, I will be back on tomorrow. I'm just going to keep grinding this thing through, helping you guys out with this magical non-financial advice that we do every day, this world of crypto. Hopefully you guys have the good rest of your night, day, whatever it is. And good luck in everything that you do. Make good decisions, everyone. Peace out, everyone.